This is how you know it's officially a part out. When you start taking off the Land Cruiser emblems. Well, it's happening. We're starting to part out on another one. I know, she looks great. She looks awesome. Don't do it, don't do it. But unfortunately, the roof has some really bad rust. So do the rear quarters. The frame isn't looking great either. So body panels are solid in most part. The doors have a lot of holes, but we're starting. I already sold the front grille and the bezels, so I pulled those off. Pulling a couple parts for myself because Mike and I actually haven't seen a lot of these things before, so that's kind of cool, putting them on our rigs. So that's what's happening today. Whole front thing is all coming out. We got the front center console out. We got a spoon just in case you need one. Matches, lighters. Who knows what else we'll find in here. Hopefully not the coronavirus, that's all I'm saying. Alright, so as it might look, this truck is really solid. There's a lot of reasons why we are parting it out. It always pains me to do one of these part outs, but stuff like this hole right here, or check out that patch right there on the wheel well, that is some awesome trickery. And there's a ton of that other stuff, just like this roof up here. I mean, that's thousands of dollars worth of metal work, and it's just not worth the time when the parts are more prevalent and probably could be used for other things. So here's the chaos. Picked a lot of stuff, sold those seat belts. Then we need rear tails, I got that. Clamshell from the steering column. Got some rear door cards. Door cards, back seats are over there. And carpet's not in great shape, but I'm sure it can be cleaned up if you take the time to do it. And that's kind of what we got going. Motor still hasn't been sold. Waiting for somebody to pick that before we start making it 100% not drivable. We're back at it today. Sold the hood and the passenger side quarter with the snorkel on it. So getting ready to ship all that stuff out to Kansas. We just got to get it all off first. And this is one of my least favorite things to get off these trucks. I can't count how many bolts there are to get one of these fenders off. I would guess somewhere around 20 to 25, and that's just me ballparking it, but it takes a long time. Might need your help a little later getting the hood off.